Hey coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's session, we're addressing a new bug that you might struggle to resolve. So without further delay, let's explore today's bug. Let's start by executing code 1 to stimulate the error and watch the result. So here's the explanation and the solution to the problem. Please pause the video to review the explanation. Now let's correct the code and take a look at the outcome. And just like that, the code executes perfectly and our output matches our expectations. No more error. That's it for today. If this video helped you in any way, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more code fixing videos. Stay curious, keep learning, and happy coding everyone. Happy coding everyone!